ba, share ko lang,
Hmm, yeah,
may parang may joke here in the Philippines sa parang
yeah.
kapag nakapag-mall show ka daw sa isang mall here in Taguig, you
I
made it daw.
know! Yes, I know!
That,
Wait, can I mention po the name of the mall? Can I
that I'm
mention?
not sure, but I
Oh,
think,
okay. Pero I
yeah.
know what you guys are talking about po. I saw that post then, and well, Eunice also performed there din po. And after nun, parang syempre, that time din po. Yeah, it was my I made it moment. Pero while going forward po sa journey po namin, parang mas nagkakaroon ng bigger stages that actually makes me feel na, wow, grabe, ang layo na pala narating ng Eunice. Like, this year, we actually just finished our American tour, and thank you. And we got to perform in a lot of cities, and one of those cities was New York City. And this in New York, kasi I think every performer really dreams of performing there. So syempre ako, since I was younger, I wanted to go to New York, and parang I wanted to roam around the streets and just to be there with my members performing our songs. But in even like the audience in New York was absolutely amazing. As in, my heart was so ano, I was so heartwarmed with like the
Oh,
audience and everything.
wow, alam mo ako as a Pinoy na yung based sa kwento mo nakaka-proud din. Pero alam mo ba, Alicia, kung ano yung made it moment ko?
Oh, what is it po?
Ito, yung ma-interview ka.
Ay! Oh my
Yes!
gosh! Kuya naman! Thank you. It's also my I made it moment because like Pep magazines, like I hear my parents mention it a lot, and now that I'm actually here, sana my parents are watching. Hi po.